It was awesome that night because, I was up there with a couple of my friends, Troy Ladd and Alan Johnson's a very good friend of mine. So. Hi, I'm Troy from Rad Rides. We're here in Manteno. I participated in the Battle of Builders in 2017, and I won with the car in the back here, the Mariani 29 Model-A. The Battle of Builders has become such a big thing. It's SEMA's obviously monster. I've been going there since 1990, so I've seen SEMA go from parking out front to the incredible thing it's become. It's just huge.
Our take on a Model A here was, these are big for rat rod cars, so you see a lot of them that are wildly misproportioned and everything.
The Battle of Builders started and it was getting a lot of traction, and it's like, that's kind of one of the awards that you want to get in our industry. So, it was like, kind of had a couple other cars that we thought about entering, but we're smart enough to know, even though the quality of our stuff is always the same, you got to have the right car when you approach the Battle of Builders. So when this Model A came along, we knew it was going to be wild enough looking and kind of eye-appealing to everybody across the board, whether you're into imports, trucks, or whatever. So it was a perfect fit in the color and everything, and the year was right. It was a tough year. There was a lot of great competition that year, but we knew we had a pretty good shot.
Unbelievable. This is my 27th year at SEMA, and I'm telling you what, this is a spectacle.
And this year's SEMA Battle of the Builders winner is Troy Trepanier, his 1929 Ford Model-A Tudor sedan.
Good job, guys. After we won the Battle of Builders, we got a lot of good recognition, and I feel almost like it's a payback to all the vendors that are SEMA members that have helped me all the years. For us to take their stuff and go out there and represent them the right way, I think is a bigger win for us than actually getting customers. The biggest thing always is quality. It doesn't have to be the nicest, trickiest design or over the top, but as long as whatever you bring is to the best of your ability and pay attention to quality, you'll never go wrong. It's exciting just because, when you go to a normal car show that this industry has, you're seeing so many people. When you go to SEMA, it's the world. I mean, it's everybody.